Here's a pair of the TAGRY X08 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to parent connect these directly to a Amazon Fire TV or Amazon Fire TV stick via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put these into pairing mode, okay? So go ahead and take out your earbuds out of the case. And after you take them out, wait a few seconds. And then if you see one of these blinking blue, red, it'll be blinking here or here, blue, red, just one of the earbuds, then it's in pairing mode. All right, I'm not getting no blue, red, or any lights on here. The reason I'm not getting nothing is because I'm connected to another device. I'm connected to my Samsung Galaxy phone here. So in order for me to put these in pairing mode, I can either reset these or I can go to Bluetooth on the device that I'm currently connected to. I'll go to settings, connections, Bluetooth. Yeah, the X08, you can see it's paired to this device here. So for me to put these in pairing mode, I can turn off Bluetooth, or I can just click on there. I can unpair or disconnect. If I do any of those three, these will automatically go into pairing mode. Even if I reset these will go into pairing mode as well. But let me just turn off Bluetooth and watch the earbuds. What do you know? So now one of them is blinking blue, red, so it's in pairing mode. So now let's hurry up and jump over to our Amazon TV, and we're gonna go to the home page here, click on the home button on the remote, and then just you want to navigate to the gear icon on the right side over there. So we're going to move all the way over right there, and then we're going to press down on the remote, and we're going to go to controllers and Bluetooth devices right there. Let's select that. Down to Bluetooth devices, other Bluetooth devices, select that. Go down to add Bluetooth devices right there. Now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, okay? These are still in the pairing mode. It's blinking blue, red. What do you know? It did find it. X08. Let me go ahead and go down. Select on OK. On the remote, that's pairing. And voila. We are connected, ready to go. So there you go. Now, if you had any kind of issues, if you couldn't put this in pairing mode or connection or issues connecting, you can always factory reset these if you need to do that. Look below for the link in the description area.